I'm flying. I'm flying. Huh? I'm flying in a helicopter. Helicopter. It's upside down helicopter. It's upside down helicopter. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall.
Daddy! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Let's go play! 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 Upside down helicopter!
What are we gonna play?
Upside down helicopter! Yeah!
Let's play! My kids wake me up and now I don't see them here. Where are my kids? I'm ready here. Kiddo! Where? Gotti! Where is my smaller Gotti?
I don't know.
Hey baby, where are you?
Let me check here. I don't see it. It's too. The glass is too invisible.
Yay! We found it! We are Professor Gotti! And we're gonna make some helicopter today. You guys ready? Oh, so what?
Upside down helicopter.
Upside down helicopter! You guys are ready?
Yeah.
Have a seat here. We're gonna tell them what are the things we're gonna need. Alright, so these are the total things we're gonna need.
Yeah.
1 color paper, 1 marker, 3 straw which can bend, it's called banding straw, 1 ruler, 1 scissor, 1 tape and Gorilla Glue, 1 oral syringe, 1 balloon and 1 soldering tools. Now let's start making upside down helicopter. Okay, so we're gonna first draw a wings. Approximate, this one is 13 centimeters. This one is 10 centimeter and this one is 4 centimeter. Let's go outside. You ready for flying?
Yeah.
Let's go, boy. Guys, our helicopter is ready. That's a balloon helicopter.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Let's go. What's happened?